What is going on, everybody? I'm going to be doing a video breaking down my gold trade that I did take last night. My trade did close this morning in profit. I did risk 2% on this trade to make 3.2 times my risk. So overall, around a 7% gain on this trade. I'll be going down the time frames and why I entered that trade here. So looking at the daily time frame here, we did have a big bullish push from this area here. I haven't even marked this zone yet. It came down, came all the way back up, broke through these daily levels here and also these weekly levels, showing there's a lot of bullish power in the market here. If you go zoom in, when I was looking at the charts, it was around at this area here with this white bearish candlestick showing a rejection candle on the close on Monday there. Going to a 4-hour time frame. Oh, take that off. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, I do have these blue zones. Once again, it is my support and resistance, or supply and demand, depending how you want to say it. We had price break all through these zones here, coming back down, rejecting this level here, and kind of had support made in this area. As you can see here, we do have some consolidation here, support level here, resistance, support, and some indecisiveness here. I was pretty confident in this trade overall, and the reason why is because this level is very much respected all throughout, even back in August here. We see price here on the 4-hour time frame make a bullish engulfing here in this right here, showing that we had this bearish candlestick, didn't quite close above, had a big wick, and then the next candlestick closed above here, making this the engulfing where this red line is, showing that there is more bullish power than bearish power. So I was looking for buy opportunities. It doesn't mean that I'm going to take the trade right there and then, because price was not in my blue zone, which would be my, in quotations, buy zone in this case. I waited for price to come all the way back down to here to make a double bottom. I went to a 30-minute time frame because I did see that bullish engulfing on the 4-hour, waited for it to come back down. It wasn't quite London session yet, but I did see here that we had a bullish engulfing. So what this yellow box is, we do have a bearish candlestick, a bullish candlestick, didn't quite close above it. But seeing here, I zoomed in, it was around 8 o'clock. It did close over this candlestick on the close here. It barely above, but in my books, it does count as a bullish variation, showing that it is going to be going up, just a higher probability on there. So I did take the trade here. I entered right as it closed. It went up, came back down, made support in this area here. I put my stop loss below the structure here. Once again, the reason why I was really confident in this trade was because this blue zone was heavily respected on almost every time frame and just heavily on the 4-hour. So if price were to break and hit my stop loss, then it was an invalid trade. So I kind of had good emotions on this trade overall. As you can see, overnight, about, I think it was around 12 o'clock, so I did go to sleep. I did want to manage the trade, but I was very tired, so I put my stops to break even around 12 once it hit a 1-to-1 here. So you can see when it closed, it was about a 1-to-1, so I put my stops to break even. But my overall take profit was all the way up here. I woke up this morning around 6:15, 6:30, and I woke up, trade was closed, and I went in profit, or overall TP was taken. So overall, great trade. As you can see, it did come back down and continue up. You know, it's unrealistic to be able to hold all the way up here. I did have my target set and my stop loss set before I took the trade, and in my books, that it is great trade psychology. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below. I love to answer them. You can hit me on Instagram or on my YouTube comments, and I could be able to answer any questions about entries or even just market structure and how I place my my zones. Hope you guys have a great rest of your trading week, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.